Welcome to Ketchikan, everybody.
No, we're actually in Ketchikan.
Oh, well, it sounds more cool. It's Ketchikan.
Silly moose.
Welcome to this episode of Cache Canada. Come along with us for more adventure.
We're in Ketchikan, Alaska. Raining hard.
This isn't hard. This is light.
And the adventure begins now. Let's go see Ketchikan, Alaska. Is it on this side or is it on the other side? It's under the bench.
Under the bench?
Under the bench. Sit down, but we don't know which side. The dry side or the wet side. It's a magnetic key lock. And we got her.
Mr. Read My Lips.
Oh,
Ever the Hunter.
With the magnetic bolt cache.
Ooh, sneaky.
Nice.
Nice.
All right.
Our first cache in Ketchikan. And then the virtual is just right here. We'll get that one and then we're going to go to an event. We have the answers to the first two questions. They were quite simple. Now we're trying to find the third question. It's evading us. Okay, we found it, and we should have seen it right away. But you know how those things go. You get all panicky. You want to go. You want to get everything good.
And it's raining.
Yeah, and it starts to rain. It wasn't raining before we got up the ship, but it is now. But we're not going to let that spoil adventure for us and you. And we're on our way to an Adventure Lab stop, 2 Earthers caches, and an event. So I think the eagle has landed. I think it's behind the thing, so we got to be sneaky. Can you do it?
I hope so. There's a lot of people around
All right,
here.
let's see if you can get it. All right, go. Get it? Awesome. Woohoo!
Nice and dry. Yeah, it's a good spot for it.
That was a lot of stealth. Awesome job. Now we're going to get a picture with the eagle. Group shot. We had the event. We found the eagle traditional. Now we're going to go get an earth cache on this tunnel. What do we need to do?
I just took pictures of the stalactites.
Okay, that's it?
Well, no.
Glad you turned the siren on. What? Walk through those 4 and then loop around and come back. Sure. Yeah, we can do that. So we just decided where we're going to go. We got another earth cache by the tunnel, and then we're going to try to get as many as we can before we get back on the ship, which shouldn't take too long. Next up, we're going to feel the buzz. That's right, we're going to feel the buzz because that's the name of the cache. 318 meters away. Let's get going. Oh, it's kind of wet. Didn't realize as we're walking down the street, it passed all the shops. They're all on water. Oops. They're all on water, and the street is elevated above the water. That's weird. caused us to totally revamp what we're going to do when we're going to up this way.
If we went and got the multi and then go back to the ship, that'd be great.
Yeah, and then we're going to go this way, and then we decided to do the multi, and now we're in the middle of the multi, and then we just finished the adventure lab.
Yep.
Yeah, we got the adventure lab all done, and so it's all good, but we're getting wet. Oh, hey, there's our people.
Oh, hello.
Hey, cheers to you. We're stopping into the fish house.
Maybe to dry off a smidge.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the multi, because we got all the plaques, and you have to figure out A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
It's kind of fun because you have to go to 3 different totem poles.
Yeah. So we're going to have some lunch and figure that out, and then I think we might head back to the ship.
And dry out your soap.
Yeah. Wait, let's go. Cross the bridge. And the parking lot was there, so stop on the other side of the bridge. We're using this picture to try to Uber the location for the multi, and that picture there is that building there. The building over here. There we go. Woohoo! Wow.
I can never open these damn things. Yeah.
That is so amazing. We couldn't get the coordinates for the multi, so we kind of Ubered the location based on people's logs from 2 shots, and boom, there we go. We got it. I am so happy now. Turn a big frown into a big smile. Woo! Love it. Dave's not pissed off anymore. Life is good.
Damn straight.
I'm ready for the hot tub now. Now I wanted to clarify, when we were at the restaurant having our lunch, we tried to do the calculations for the multi, but we just couldn't get it to work out. We were like 11 kilometers, 8 kilometers, and finally 439 kilometers. We tried to make sure we did everything. A couple of the questions we found a little bit confusing. So what I did was I went in to view the photos from everyone that had posted logs, and I found 2 that were really helpful in locating where the cache was hidden, because of the features that were in the photograph, a building specifically. So what we did then was Uber that location based on what was in the description of the geocache and what we saw in the 2 photographs, and we were able to deduce the location, which is why we were so happy, because I kind of got a little bit out of shape because I couldn't get it to work, and that's what happens with multis, and sometimes it just, and there was no number checker, so we couldn't figure it out. We tried to contact the CO but didn't get a response. So anyway, just wanted to update that, why we were jumping for joy at finding that geocache. Oh look, the sun came out. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We had a great time in Alaska, and we hope you come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?
Maybe to a drier climate.
Oh yeah. How about Arizona?
Possibly.
Utah? You never know.
Or even just home.
Very well here.
Da-da-da-da!
Ta-da!
Good job.
Nice. That is a nice cache.
Now that we're like at the top of the hill, these might be like easy. Like
Doable.
how far away is that? 100.